Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Can you hear my sound? Can you all hear my sound properly, children?
Ma'am, I cannot see you.
Okay, wait. I will wait.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Ma'am.
Now, can you see my sound properly, dear children?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, have you done your homework?
Yes.
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 Everybody.
Yes.
Everybody. Huh?
Yes.
We have discussed those type of question many times, isn't it? So,
Yes.
okay.
Yes.
Today I am not discussing the answer. I will be discussing. Before that, everybody should be ready with the answer. Or after that only, I will send the answer through WhatsApp.
Okay.
Next class we will be discussing. Today I am not discussing. Okay. Then, dear children, today we are going to discuss about 3D shapes. I already told you 3D shapes. In that 3D shape last year and year before last year, we have learned 3D shape. You know, all of you knows what are the 3D shape. Still, we can revise the names once again. All of you, please mute your audios. I'm going to mute from here. Don't unmute. Okay, dear children, I will be asking you. That time only you want to unmute. Okay? Then, names of 3D shape. Dear children, we have learned cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, sphere. All these shapes are 3D shapes. Today we are going to discuss first about cuboid. Okay, dear children. Now, I'll be
Okay,
asking
ma'am.
to somebody. Anay. Anay? Can you hear me, Anay?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you give some examples for cuboid? Let Anay say answer, others should keep quiet.
Ma'am. Pencil box and
Very good. Pencil box.
lunch box.
Lunch box. Eraser. Okay, dear. Very good, Anay. Eraser and our mobiles. All these objects are in cuboid shape. Then, dear children, all these rectangles are faces that we already know. We already studied how many faces are there for a cuboid. How many faces are there for a cuboid? If anybody knows the answer, please raise your hand. Raise your hand. If anybody knows.
6. And I know.
Anay, very good.
Ma'am, 6.
6 faces.
Ma'am,
Reika also said answer. I told you to raise your hands. Don't say answer. You just raise your hand. I'll be giving you a chance. Okay? Okay, Reika and Anay, very good. So, like this, if you are counting, 6 faces you can see. Then, now also, many of
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Now?
Yes.
Yes. Dear children, all these line segments are edges. Can anybody tell how many edges are there? Please raise your hands and I'll be giving you chance.
Ma'am, Devananda.
Oh, Devananda, all others, please keep quiet. Let Devananda say answer. Let Devananda say answer. Others, please keep your audio muted. Devananda,
Seven.
I told let Devananda say answer. Ameya, I'll give you a chance. Okay. Devananda, can you tell how many edges are there for this cuboid?
8.
How many?
8.
Ameya, will you, Devananda, please wait. We can check whether your answer is correct or wrong. Ameya, will you help her?
12.
12. Why? Here also, I will show you by using shape.
Ma'am, 8.
12 edges. How many edges, dear children?
12.
12 edges are there and 6 faces are there. Again and again, I am muting you all. Who is unmuting then? Next, I want number of vertices. That means corners. How many corners are there? Abhinav? Abhinav?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Who is calling me? Any doubt? Who is
Who
talking in Malayalam? Abhinav, can you hear me?
Ma'am, Raika.
Abhinav, can you hear me?
Ma'am,
Abhinav Krishna.
Ma'am.
I told I will be calling a particular person. They only want to unmute and say answer. Abhinav, can you hear me?
4.
How many vertices are there for a cuboid? Cuboid. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then down. Same that, like that. Down also will be there, no? So, Reika, will you say?
Ma'am, 8.
Who said?
Ma'am, 8. Ma'am, 8.
I told Reika. Reika only I want to unmute. Reika, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
How many vertices are there for a cuboid?
4.
Only 4. Anybody else?
Ma'am, 8.
Answer?
Ma'am, 8.
Yes, raise your hands. Siddharth. Siddharth can unmute. Others, please keep quiet.
Ma'am, 8.
Siddharth.
Ma'am, 8.
Siddharth, please unmute. Only Siddharth.
Ma'am, 8.
Siddharth, please.
Ma'am, 8.
8. Very good. Very good. So, very good, Siddharth. 8 vertices are there. Okay. So, dear children, for a cuboid, 6 faces are there, 12 edges are there, 8 vertices are there. I'll be showing through a figure. Through the figure. Dear children, all of you mute your audio. Everybody. Now also not muted. Wait, dear children, I'll be muting you all. After that, we can start the class. Now everybody, I'm muted. I'll be asking question. That time only you want to unmute. Okay? So, dear children, first we are going to discuss about cuboid. And we already discussed about the examples. So,
We won't write in the
no, you don't want to write anything now. Keep your every book closed. Everybody, keep your every book closed. Can you see? Can you all see the cuboid on the screen, dear children? If you can see, you can show a
Yes.
thumbs up. Then, dear children, now as we have discussed, here for this cuboid, how many faces we counted, Shravan? How many faces are there for the cuboid? Shravan. Sorry? Dear children, please unmute and say, can you see, can you all see the screen?
Yes. Yes.
Now you all can mute now. All can mute.
Ma'am,
Now,
you tell.
Shravan, can you tell me how many faces are there for a rectangle cuboid? Shravan? Shravan. Can you hear me, Shravan? Shravan. Can you hear me?
Ma'am, I tell.
Please tell me your name.
Ma'am, I will tell. Muhammad Zayan.
Mohammed Sayan can tell me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Others, please mute your audios.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2,
Sorry, sir.
3.
Wait. Many are now also. Okay, Mohammed Sayan, can you tell me now how many faces are there for a cuboid? Mohammed Sayan, please unmute and say.
6.
6 faces are there. 6 faces. Then 6 faces are there. Agna, please unmute. Please unmute. You don't know how to unmute? Okay. See, you can see the faces of 6 faces. 1 is here, 2, 3, 4, then 5. 1 face is on the back. So 6 faces are there. Dear child, what is the shape of these faces? What is the shape of this faces? If I am drawing, this is a 1 face. What is the shape of this face?
Rectangle. Ma'am,
Let
rectangle.
Agna say answer. Agna?
6.
I am asking what is the shape of this face? What is the shape this?
Cuboid.
That is the shape of the this 3D shape. I am asking the shape of the face. One particular face. This face. What is the shape here?
Rectangle.
Some others are answering. Agna, do you know?
No.
If I am drawing, wait dear, wait, I will be showing you. Now I am going to draw on this. Now what shape you got, Agna? Agna, what shape you got now?
Cuboid.
Dear, is black, this black shape is cuboid? This black shape? Let Agna say answer. Others, please keep quiet. Agna. Then who can help Agna?
Ma'am, I.
Krishna.
Ma'am, Siddharth.
Wait, Siddharth good chance. No, Rekha also good chance. Krishna, can you hear me, Krishna? I think some network issue is there. Who else can? Arav. What is this shape? Black. Arav, can you tell?
Ma'am, rectangle.
Once more, I will draw on this. What is the shape of this face?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. So, dear children, for a cuboid, the faces will be in rectangular shape. For every shape, dear children, for every shape, can you see a mobile on my hand? In my hand?
Yes.
For it, it's a cuboid. Dear children, please mute your audios. Yes. Children, for every 3D shape, the bottom part, down part, we will call base. What we call? Base. Base of the shape. What we will call? Base of the shape. Dear children, what will be the shape of base of a cuboid? I want Alvina, can you tell what will be the shape of base of a cuboid?
Rectangle.
Very good, very good. Rectangle. Shape of base of a cuboid will be rectangle shape.
Rectangle.
Yeah, children. So here, edges. These line segments are the edges. We counted as 12, and vertices we got 8. That means these corners are the vertices. So 8 vertices are there. So 6 faces are there, 12 edges are there, and 8 vertices are there. And the base of the cuboid will be in rectangular shape. What shape? What shape, dear children? Rectangular. Okay. Rectangular shape. And not only base, every face will be in rectangular shape. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss about cuboid. Sorry, cube. Dear children, all of you mute your audio. Cube, I know you all will be drawing cube very neatly and perfectly. I will be showing. One for you, dear children. Okay. Who is playing over there? Huh? Now, I'm going to join this vertices. Now you can see a cube on the screen. I'll be writing. Dear children, this cuboid, in the case of number of faces and number of edges and number of vertices will be same for this cube and cuboid. That's how many faces will be there? 6 faces will be there. How many edges will be there? 12 edges will be there. And how many vertices will be there? 8 vertices. That means 8 corners will be there. Then dear children, for this cube, Hannah, very busy with the writing. Please don't write. You don't want to write anything now. Hannah, please unmute and say any example for this cube. Any objects name. Erin, tired. Sit properly, sit straight. Hannah, can you say an example for cube shape? You can? Can you say an example? Do you know? If you don't know, tell me no. No problem. I will be asking to somebody else. Then who else know? Siddharth.
Ma'am, Rubik's Cube.
Oh, very good. Rubik's Cube, by which we are playing. You may be playing with the Rubik's Cube. That Rubik's Cube is in the shape of cube. Then not only that, the dice you are throwing to play snake and ladder is an also a example of cube. Then dear children, what will be the shape of the base of this cube? I'll be asking two. I will be asking two. Who else didn't? Lysel. Can you hear me, Lysel?
Yes.
What will be the shape of the base of this cube? Base means bottom part, this part. For cube, we already told all the faces will be in square shape. Here you can see, it's not rectangle here, it's square shape. Maybe from the board, seems to be rectangle, but it should be square. You do one thing, check your Rubik's Cube bottom part, down part. What is the shape? Square. Okay? Okay, dear children. So what will be the base of a cube? Square. What is the shape?
Square.
Cube. Shape of the base will be square. Shape of the base will be square. Now, dear children, I will be asking two questions for two people. First question to Abel. Abel, are you playing over there?
No.
No. Then can you tell me a 3D shape with a rectangular base? Just now we discussed about cuboid and cube. Will you name a 3D shape with a rectangular base?
Cone.
Cone's base, we didn't discuss about cone. Cone base, bottom part, down part is in rectangular shape. Abel, listen here. I know you are playing the. Listen here, okay, Abel? I will ask to somebody else. Who can help? Adhika. Adhika, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you name any 3D shape with a rectangular base? Sorry?
Mobile.
Mobile is an example. What is the shape of mobile? Cuboid or cube?
Cuboid.
Cuboid. Very good, Adhika. Very good. Now, have you understood, Abel?
Yes.
What is the shape of a? Can you name? Now, can you name any 3D shape with the base rectangular? The rectangular base. Now,
Pencil box.
I am asking the shape, not example. Abel. Cuboid. What is the shape?
Cuboid.
Cuboid. Rectangular base. 3D shape with a rectangular base. What is the example? What is the shape? Cuboid. What is the shape?
Cuboid.
Cuboid. That is a 3D shape with a rectangular base. Then, next question to Bandhan. Can you hear me, Bandhan?
Yes.
Can you name a 3D shape with square base? Square base. Can you? Who will help Bandhan? Please raise your hands, those who know answer. Others, please keep your audio muted. Anybody else? Raika, please help her. Reika, you can say answer. Sorry? No. Bandhan, have you understood now?
Yes.
Cube is a 3D shape with a square base. Base means bottom part or down part. Okay, dear children. Next, we are going to discuss about, Shipna, where are you? I can't see you. Ah, where you went? Be there, okay. Next, we are going to discuss about sphere and cone. Sorry, cylinder and cone. Now you can see. Can you see a bottle in my hand?
Yes.
Yes. Dear children, this is an example of cylinder shape. Not only this one, the LPG cylinders at your home and candles.
Ma'am, pipe.
Any other examples?
Ma'am, pipe.
Oh, pipe, very good. PVC pipe.
PVC pipe.
Then battery, very good. All these are the examples of sphere shape.
Water bottle.
Water bottle, yes, very good. Water bottles. Then, dear children, what is base means bottom part. What is the shape of this base of this?
Ma'am, circle. Ma'am,
Circle. Yes.
Ma'am, circle.
Yes.
Circle.
Very good. So for a cylinder, bottom part will be in
Circle.
base of the cylinder will be in
Circle.
shape. Circle shape. Very good. For this, how many faces will be there? How many faces?
Two.
Can you see my face properly, dear children?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Now, can you?
Yes. Ma'am, you are not audible.
Not audible to you.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
What about others?
Yes. Yes.
Or hear my sound?
Yes.
Yes. Anay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. So, Advait, please check your device on action. Some issues will be there. Okay.
Ma'am, two faces are there.
Only two faces.
Two faces.
One, two.
1, 2,
Then this curved face. So, how many faces will be there?
4,
Ah,
3,
1,
3,
2,
3,
yes. How many faces will be there?
3,
Three faces will be there. Then, any vertices are there? Any corners? No corners. No corners for a cylinder. How many edges will be there? Two edges. Okay, dear children. Two edges, three faces, no vertices.
No,
Yeah. Like that, one more shape we have to discuss now. Cone shape. Like our birthday cap. Like our ice cream. Oh, ice cream cone. Very good. Who is saying ice cream cone? Ah, Rekha. You like ice cream?
Yes.
Ah, me also. Okay. So for
I
this
also.
ice cream cone, I'll show you that shape. After that, I'll be asking. Okay.
Cover. Happy birthday cap.
Now,
Happy birthday cap.
birthday cap. Birthday cap. We already.
Happy birthday cap. Peanut cover. Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Now you can hear me properly. Now I made it properly. Now, dear
Yes.
children, can you hear my sound properly?
Yes.
Ah, yes. Next, we are going to discuss about cylinder, then cone. First, can you all see a red cylinder on the screen?
Yes.
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 Uh-huh.
Yes.
Can't-
You can see, ma'am.
Ah, yes. So, dear,
Can see,
check
ma'am.
your device. Dear children, as we discussed, our candle and what we'll say,
Gas cylinder.
gas cylinder, battery, all these things are in cylinder shape. And what is the shape of the bottle, dear children? Bottom part, dear children, base part?
Circle.
Ah, very good. Circle. Circular base. It has circular base. Mute your audio, dear children. Now, you can see 1, 2, 3. How many faces? 3 faces. And 1, 2. 2 edges and no vertices. Next, we are going to discuss about cone shape. Cone shape, like our ice cream cone, like our birthday cap. Dear children, next question 2. Dear children, please mute your audio. I will be asking to a particular student. They only want to unmute. Shifna, unmute Shifna. Okay. Will you name the shape of, sorry. Will you name the base of this cone? Shape of base of this cone? What is the base of this cone? What is the shape of the base of this cone?
Circle.
Very good. So, very good, Shifna. Excellent. The base of this cone or base of the cone shape will be? Cone shape will be circle. Or
we want to write this.
Circular.
We want to write this.
No need to write. Dear children, tie your hands and sit. Ayan, sit there properly, listen. Next, I want next answer from Anay. Anay, can you hear me, Anay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How many faces will be there for this cone? Faces. Faces. How many faces will be there when you are eating ice cream? How many? 2 faces. Yes. 1, 2. So how many faces will be there, dear children?
2.
2 faces. And next, Sri Bhadra. Will you unmute? Will you unmute?
Yes, ma'am.
How many corners are there for this? Corners or vertices. How many vertices are there? Can you hear me properly, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell how many vertices are there? Corners. Are there?
No corners. No.
Sorry, dear.
Ma'am.
Can you see one dot over here?
One corner.
One corner is there, or one vertex is there. Vertex is there. How many vertex? One vertex. How many vertex do you have, children?
Pieces. One vertex.
Only one. So we can say vertex. One vertex. Okay?
One vertex.
Shifna, Shifna. Sit there properly. Tie your hands. Tie your hands. Sit there properly. Okay. So one vertex is there. So have you understood, dear children, about cone? What is the base of the cone?
Yes.
What is the shape of the base of the cone?
Yes.
Circle. So dear children, for cone and cylinder, we have circular base. For cone and cylinder, we have
Circle base.
cone and cylinder. Now one more shape is there that also we can discuss and we can find it. Now that is very easy shape. Board.
I cannot see the board.
Sorry?
Board.
Shape. We can call it as sphere. Sphere. We can call S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. For this, only one face is there, curved face. No edges, no corners. No edges,
No
no
corners.
corners. Only one curved face.
Curved
So,
face.
dear children, Today we have discussed about 3D shapes, and just now we discussed about sphere, cone, cylinder.
Cone, cylinder.
Can anybody tell me then? Can anybody name two
Ma'am, I
shapes?
cannot see you.
What about others? Can't you see my face?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay, dear. Take your device. Okay. Now, Naila,
Yes.
will you name any 3D shape with a circular base? Any 3D shape with circular base? Just now we discussed 3 shapes. Will you name any 3D shape with a circular base?
Ma'am.
Naila, can you tell now?
Sphere.
Huh? Sphere in my hand. Can you, Naila? What is the shape of this bottle?
Cylinder.
Cylinder. Naila, have you understood? Have you understood, Naila?
Yes.
Naila, have you understood?
Yes.
Say yes or no, dear.
Yes.
Your voice is not audible. Okay. Now, have you understood? Show me a thumbs up at least. Have you understood now? Okay, dear. Children, these are the two shapes with this circular base. One is cylinder, other one is cone. Cylinder and cone are the two shapes with a circular base. And cuboid is the shape with a rectangular base. And square is the shape with a, cube is the shape with a square base. Cube. Okay. I hope you all understood all these topics. I will be sending the notes to WhatsApp. Dear children, copy to your notebook. Bye.
Bye.
Next day.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.